So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Microsoft Edge. You want to click on the three dots and then click on modify and then click on yes. Once this comes up, you want to click on repair. It's now going to start repairing Microsoft Edge. Once you complete all of this, the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.